Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue drumsticks in the oven using herbs, spices, and some Kraft original barbecue sauce. You could also use chicken thighs and chicken wings, but for today's recipe I'm only using drumsticks. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To see how I put this all together, keep on watching. Here I have some fresh drumsticks. I'm using 12 pieces. I have already put together some spices from the ingredients shown here. I will leave a full detailed list of all that I'm using in the description bar below. You will also need your favorite barbecue sauce and the juice of half a lemon to wash your chicken. I've already washed my chicken in some lemon juice and dried it thoroughly. Now I'm going to rub my prepared spice all over the chicken and cover and allow to marinate for 1 to 2 hours. The combination of spices I'm using will be listed down below in the description bar. Once my chicken has been marinated, now I've lined my baking sheet using aluminum foil because it makes cleanup a breeze. I'm adding the chicken in single layers and cover with foil paper and bake in a 350 degrees oven for 35 to 40 minutes. The chicken has been in the oven for 35 minutes, so now it's time to remove it and add my barbecue sauce. Now the reason for covering my chicken is so that the seasoning and the spices together will create a delicious sauce that I'll be using for gravy or just a dipping sauce later. Now that the barbecue sauce has been added to the chicken, I'm going to turn the oven up to 400 degrees and return the chicken to the oven uncovered and bake for a further 15 minutes. Now that the chicken is ready, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the drumsticks to a serving plate and drain the sauce off and use some cornstarch to thicken it. To thicken the sauce from the chicken, use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. Add the cornstarch mixture to the sauce and simmer on low heat until you have your desired consistency. Once that is done, you could pour over the drumstick or you could use as a dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.